Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through how to transfer money between your own Santander accounts, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's jump in. Step 1. Log into the Santander app or website. Open the Santander mobile banking app or go to their official website. Log in using your password, fingerprint, or Santander key if prompted. Step 2. Go to Transfers or Payments. From the home screen, tap the Payments or Transfers tab. Then choose Transfer between my accounts or Internal Transfer. The wording may vary slightly depending on your country or region. Step 3. Choose the source account. Now select the account you want to transfer money from, such as your checking or savings account. Step 4. Select the destination account. Next, pick the Santander account you want the money sent to. This can be your savings, secondary checking, or even a loan account. Step 5. Enter the amount. Type in the exact amount of money you want to transfer. Optionally, you can add a note or reference, like rent or savings. Step 6. Choose the date. For immediate transfers, just leave the default date. If you want it to go through later, schedule it by selecting a future date. Step 7. Confirm the transfer. Double-check everything, the accounts, amount, and date. Then hit Confirm or Submit. Santander may ask you to verify with Santander Key, Face ID, or a security code. Done. The money will be moved instantly or on the scheduled date between your Santander accounts. Pro tip, you can also set up recurring internal transfers if you want to automate savings every week or month. That's it for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more banking tips and tutorials. See you next time.